Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Trisha. I make cleaning, organizing, and lifestyle videos, and sometimes I post vlogs too. Now, I am so excited for today's video because I'm in collaboration with my fellow YouTuber. Now, before I introduce her, I just would like to explain that for my video today, I will be tackling our bathroom ceiling because I noticed recently that these dark spots, I think they're molds, they keep on increasing and I keep on telling myself that I'll remove these, but whenever I clean our bathroom, I keep on forgetting about it. So, I guess this cleaning video collab urged me to finally deal with this so that I can also share to you how I'm going to remove these disgusting molds. So anyway, let's get to my beautiful partner for my video for today. Her name is Vara Vanner. She makes cleaning videos too and other stuff as well like thrift hauls, decluttering, organizing and all that stuff. She's very sweet and pretty too. We talked over Instagram and decided for us to both make a bathroom cleaning video as part of our collaboration. Her YouTube channel is linked down below in my description box and I'll also link her Instagram. It would mean a lot for the both of us if you could check out her Instagram and subscribe to her YouTube channel and tell her that I sent you guys. Now, I'm going to show you first how I make my vinegar solution which I use in cleaning our mirrors, shower glass, glass windows, and I'm also going to use this to remove the molds on our bathroom ceiling. It's very easy to make. I'm just mixing equal parts of water and vinegar. I use 2 cups of vinegar so I have to put 2 cups of water in this spray bottle too. I'm now going to spray the vinegar solution on our ceiling covering directly the molds. Then I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes and then I'm going to wipe it later. By the way, after watching this video, please check out Vara's channel too. She also made a bathroom cleaning video and please send some love by liking her video and leaving a comment on her channel. Look at these black spots, you guys. It bothered me for weeks and I'm happy that I'm finally tackling it. Now, while I'm letting the solution sit in, I'm going to wipe our towel racks. Whenever I clean our bathroom, I only usually focus on the toilet, the sinks, and the shower. I seldom wipe the cabinets and especially the towel racks, so I'm glad that I'll finally be able to do it today.
Get it made, yeah. Get her paid, she my stay, yeah. Make her wait, pop it away, yeah. She no fake, but she my maid, yeah. I don't wait, get it made, yeah. Get her paid, she my stay, yeah. Make her wait, pop it away, yeah. She no fake, but she my maid, yeah.
Don't smile, you know I hate it that you're so fine.
We use this wooden shower caddy, but we're supposed to buy a stainless steel one. However, we can't find the right one which we think is best for our shower. We were looking for the one which we can hang over a shower, but we can't find one in the stores here. The consequence to this is this wooden caddy always gets wet. That's why I know we'll have to replace this soon.
Nah, nah, you making me so mad. You teasing me like that, I'm gon' get you back. Oh, what's going on your mind? You know what's on mine, baby. I'm feeling physical. Oh, 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 oh. I'm feeling physical. Oh, 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 oh. You got me feeling physical. Oh, 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 oh. I tried to play it cool, but boy, I'm on fire. And I lied back when I told you you're not mine.
Now, I'm wiping the ceiling. I have to say that this turned out to be a very strenuous task. It's hard using this wiper, that's why I decided in some parts to use the microfiber cloth and stand closer to the ceiling whenever I can. It'll take after a few months for me to do this again.
So mad, you tease me like that, I'm gon' get you back. Oh, what's going on your mind? You know what's on mine, baby. I'm feeling physical, I'm feeling physical, you got me feeling physical, oh, I know you're feeling it too. Oh, come here, boy, let me feel it with you. Oh, na na. You're making me so mad. You tease me like that, I'm gon' get you back. Oh, what's going on your mind? You know what's on mine, baby. I'm feeling physical. I'm feeling physical. You got me feeling physical.
Now I'm doing my usual bathroom cleaning routine. I'm using the Harpic Fresh Power Marine Splash for a toilet bowl and I'm just going to let it sit for a few minutes before flushing it. I'm definitely recommending this vinegar solution for your bathroom mirrors. Aside from it's a lot cheaper than the commercial glass cleaning products, it really is very effective in keeping the mirrors and glassware streak-free. By the way, guys, I also made a video of me cleaning our bathroom using baking soda and vinegar only. I'll put the link up in the corner if you would like to check it out. I usually use baking soda in cleaning our bathroom whenever I run out of toilet bowl cleaner and bathroom spray solution. And as you all know, I love incorporating vinegar and baking soda in cleaning. I'm using this biodegradable antibacterial wipes called Spring Fresh, and so far I'm satisfied with this product. I love that I'm using biodegradable wipes because it feels good knowing that I'm helping preserve the environment in my own little way.
talking about your family till we fall asleep. I don't like that you know my order when we're out to eat and you pay for me. Cause I don't wanna be someone loving, looking dumb, but you don't care. You go on and make me feel things that I don't wanna feel, so I get scared. Every time you open up, I'm shutting down. Every time you come in, I push you out, saying I don't want you, but you know I do. Cause I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, ooh. I don't like when you look at me directly in the eye with that perfect smile. And I don't like all the compliments you're always giving me. Is this even real? Cause I don't wanna be that girl falling hard and getting hurt, but you don't care. You go on and make me feel things that I don't wanna feel, so I get scared. Every time you open up, I'm shutting down. Every time you come in, I push you out, saying I don't want you, but you know I do. Cause I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you.
After cleaning our shower, I usually proceed with mopping the floor, but today I'm going to wipe our bathroom cabinets first. Although I'm not going to clean the inside of the cabinets since it's not that dirty there, I'm just focusing on the outside part since it's more prone to getting dirty.
Every time you open up, I'm shutting down. Every time you come in, I push you out, saying I don't want you, but you know I do. Cause I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you.
I also make sure that I wipe the faucets and door handles with an antibacterial wipe just to make sure that everything is completely clean.
I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. Ooh, ooh.
Of course, the last thing to do today is to mop the floor. I always add a cup of fabric conditioner on the water so that it'll leave a pleasant smell. I also mop twice just to make sure that I have removed any dirt or bad smell in our bathroom.
Weapons like it ain't fair. When you're making me go crazy. No, I don't wanna fall, but boy, you made me. My heart ain't never been so out of control. Oh, na na, you're making me so mad. You tease me like that, I'm gon' get you back. Oh, what's going on? Slide into your mind so silky, up under the tongue.
So that was it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have reached this part of the video. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, I have an Instagram account too. You can follow me there. I'll put the link down below for it. And of course, please check out Vara's bathroom cleaning video too. Give it a like and subscribe to her channel as well. I hope that you like this video. See you in the next one.